My 5,000 a month strategy for making passive income through affiliate marketing. Okay, get ready. Want to know how I make 5,000 a month without even trying? Well, maybe a little. Affiliate marketing is the name of the game, baby. What is affiliate marketing really? Think about a friend who really likes video games. You tell them about this great new game you've been playing, and they buy it because you told them to. Now picture this. The game company pays you to tell your friend about their game. That's pretty much what affiliate marketing is. You work with businesses to promote their goods on your website, blog, or social media. You get a commission, a percentage of the sale, when someone clicks on your special link, called an affiliate link, and buys something. You get to be a super-powered salesperson without having to deal with inventory or customer service. My plan for making $5,000 a month, step by step. Okay, let's get to the point. This is how I grew my affiliate marketing business to make $5,000 a month. Step 1. Find your niche, what you love. What are you really good at? What do you like to talk about? Is it something else like cooking, gaming, traveling, or fashion? Pick a niche that you really like, because you'll be making a lot of content about it. Why this matters? People can tell when you're not being honest. Your audience won't trust you if you're not really interested in your niche. Step 2. Make a website, your home base. You need a place to show off your content and advertise the products you sell as an affiliate. A website is where you live online. Get a domain name. Pick a catchy and relevant domain name that fits your niche. Get web hosting. You'll need a web host to keep your website files safe. WordPress is a free and simple way to make websites. Why this matters? A website makes you look trustworthy and lets you control your brand. Step 3. Make great content, your secret weapon. Content is the most important thing. You need to make content that is interesting and useful to your target audience. This could be updates on social media, blog posts, videos, or podcasts. Write helpful reviews. Write reviews of products that are related to your niche. Be fair and honest. Make guides on how to show people how to do something that has to do with your niche. Give tips and tricks. Share what you know and what you can do. Figure out how to fix things. Find problems that your audience has and give them ways to fix them. Why this matters? Good content brings people to your site, makes them trust you, and helps your site rank higher in search engines. Step 4. Look for affiliate programs. The things that will make you money. Find affiliate programs that are in your niche and pay good commissions. Join affiliate networks. Amazon Associates, Share, A-Sale, and Commission Junction are all affiliate networks that can help you find thousands of different affiliate programs. Find direct affiliate programs. Some businesses have their own affiliate programs that you can join directly. Why this matters? You should look for affiliate programs that your audience will like and that pay you well enough to make it worth your time. Step 5. Market your affiliate products, your sales machine. It's time to start telling your audience about the products you promote as an affiliate. Add your affiliate links to your blog posts, videos, and social media updates. Write reviews of the products you're promoting. Write detailed reviews of the products you're promoting. Make comparison charts. Look at different products in your niche and suggest the best ones. Email marketing. Make a list of people who want to hear from you and send them regular newsletters with your affiliate product suggestions. Use social media marketing to get the word out about your affiliate products on sites like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Why this matters? To make sales, you need to show your affiliate links to as many people as you can. Step 6. Keep an eye on your results, your GPS. Keep track of your results so you can tell what's working and what's not. Use affiliate tracking software. Most affiliate networks offer tracking software that lets you see how many clicks and sales you're making. Use Google Analytics to keep track of your website traffic and see which pages are doing the best. Why this matters? You need to know what works so you can put your energy into the strategies that work best. Step 7. Rinse and repeat. The secret to your success. Keep making great content, advertising your affiliate products, and keeping track of how well they do. You'll be able to make money without doing anything for years to come with your affiliate marketing business. How to be successful in affiliate marketing. Be patient. It takes time to make an affiliate marketing business work. Be consistent. Make content and promote your affiliate products on a regular basis. Be honest with your audience about the products you're selling. Build trust. Give your audience useful information and suggestions to help them trust you. Stay up to date. Learn about the newest trends and strategies in affiliate marketing. Is affiliate marketing a good fit for you? Affiliate marketing could be a good way for you to make money online without having to do anything. Getting started takes time and work, but once you have a successful affiliate marketing business, you can make money while you sleep.